At the peak of my cleaning company, I probably had maybe like 20 something, 25 or some accounts. But when I got to working for them, then I'm managing hundreds of contracts at once, and I'm the operation man. I got to go inspect every single. So I got to see any type of contract pretty much in the commercial space. I'd have been through it, and I had to coach these unit franchise owners how to handle these situations, because I had already did it on my side of things, but it's just not at that scale. And so that experience definitely was the biggest game changer for sure. Shout out to Justin Cowley though. He was the guy who hired me from Jam Pro. But I remember when he first hired me and I wanted to quit, and he didn't want me to quit yet because I was good at the job. And so he was like, well, I would imagine that for what you're trying to do, because he saw what I already had, like my starter kit and stuff online. So he was like, well, I would imagine that for what you're trying to do, this gonna help you anyway. And so I really got to give him his credit. Like first, he definitely like saved me just by giving me the job. You know what I mean? And then also by like giving me that nugget to let me know, like, you're right, I am gonna need this experience later on. I understand the complications that can come with if you misclassify a 1099 contractor as an employee and all the fines you're gonna owe. So that's why I hate like saying it, but my management style, I'm not gonna micromanage you at all. I'm gonna hire you, you're gonna do what I told you to do or asked you to do, or that we agreed on, how we gotta word it, but you're gonna do what what we said you was gonna do, and then I'm gonna trust you 1,000%. I ain't really like, I might pop in here and there, but for the most part, I need people that's independent. And most of the time, not every time, most of the time, W-2 employees just simply aren't driven like that. They there for the check and that's it. But when you get the 1099 contractors that take pride in their work, they've been doing this for 20 years. And, I know how to clean. You know, they put a little pride into it. All they just need is a little guidance, most of them. They don't know how to get their own customers most of the time. Like, that's the way I like to do it, is partnerships. Because I know I'm not a good employee most of the time. I hate when somebody telling me what to do and don't give me my freedom. So I just try to create the opportunity for somebody that I wished I had when I needed a job.